All right, so here's the plan. So we already can't draw. Well, let me speak for myself. I cannot draw. Now, how are we going to do this without seeing? Well, the great and wonderful Jeremy is here. Jeremy is a UTech student who went to Glenmuir High, which is two great schools. And he's going to apparently mime what he has on that paper. And I, and the great and outstanding and magnificent Dales, is just going to draw that. When we're done with this, on a mad. We're going
you hear a song where I play an idiot thing that. That's exactly what this exercise is.
When we're done with this, we are going to leave here and we are going to do a mural for downtown Kingston because that's how we good. Come, mime up to something and tell it.
Ready now?
Yeah.
We're ready long time.
Face, man, woman, man. Glasses. Beard and thing right there, sir. And me at that about.
Ears? I never.
Ears are earring. Earring.
Ears.
Ears. Everybody don't have ears.
It big. I never hear talk about.
What must be my talk about?
From you say glasses and mustache and ears.
All right. So we must draw that. You have any other clue to give me?
No.
Where you go?
No, you will draw, so that's why I come here, so come look for you.
So, we're working together or we're working against each other?
Confirm with you, he just gives you the clues and you draw.
No, that's why I'm asking if he have any more clue to give me.
So don't ask him.
And then me just print where you draw. All right, hold on. No, this is not too low, man.
Nobody
Folks,
can.
we will never believe this. What
Mr. Neville, after him cut him here.
So no, if it's me, then my ears. Oh, me have to put on glasses, don't? The glasses go by your eyebrow. Just below.
Then yeah, after him trim.
Yeah, but my beard not hang down, so my beard.
You know hang down? You know hang down,
It's I mean, no? Let me not tell you this it's me long time. You know it's me.
Never mind. So I have one more left.
Yeah, you're not supposed to talk you. Oh boy, you have one, mate. So who win that one, I mean?
Can't you, Neville?
Why?
I can't you, look there.
Look at this.
Look there.
No,
come stand up beside it. No, come stand up beside it. Come
oh,
stand up.
Richard, stop about there, that one look like.
Come now, man. Come you. See it, yeah? Come now, soldier. Look there. Yes, man.
Hey.
Look there. Me have it, man.
No, that would have one.
Put
back that picture there, man. Put back that picture. What a handsome fella. Put back the picture. Aye.
Like the AC stop work again.
All right, you rub off this thing, I know. Oh, them saying not supposed to nod or anything. But we need to know if we're on the right track. So then, and this is easy, you know. If the first one is me, this next one must be there.
Me want you remember to describe me. It me start to run
next
away
one.
from.
Right, we're right below, man.
Eh?
Oh, something will come camera off now.
I saw how he described Neville, so I'm waiting on my description. Ladies and gentlemen, because if it don't start off with a Coca-Cola bottle shape, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. If I don't see him go, so shoo.
All right, you ready
Let me
to
know
go?
it's you. Come, the great Jeremy. Let's
Ready
go.
now?
Yes.
All right.
Face again.
Pretty.
Man or woman?
Pretty woman.
No, but if that is not how the game goes. Glasses.
Glasses?
And me again.
No.
Big eye. Big teeth.
Only party. Is that animal? Is that animal? Or is that monkey? That's submerged.
So, how me fit in the pajama?
No, I'm a wally where I draw.
Hold on, is there you call monkey?
No, couldn't be. Him said tail, me not no tail. And him never got so, you know. Him got so.
Oh, I must draw monkey. All right, monkey. Who you say we are draw?
I'm a wally.
Monkey, oh monkey.
No, son. No. What's your name? Carry on. Come on now.
You don't know if you draw monkey. Monkey don't look like we kind.
I'm a wally. All right, I'm a wally. Don't move.
I don't know how to draw a monkey.
I don't know how to draw a monkey. How do you draw a monkey? Well, a monkey head small.
No, you're a big monkey.
You're a big small
monkey.
head one. Really? Monkey have teeth? It's a smiling monkey.
Hold on. Here where Richard. Richard is leading me through this. Listen, say, draw a circle and then an egg shape for the bottom half. All right, hold on, no egg shape. Oh, egg shape. So, egg shape, so. That's an egg shape.
Monkey don't have neck.
No, but egg no round. Egg no round, too.
Monkey have neck. You know, we should draw the monkey sideways. Should draw the monkey sideways. Why you draw the monkey sideways?
Monkey have ears? Yes. I don't want to know.
Then all them ear never.
I don't know. Some of them ear through them mouth or something. Monkey ear big? Are me at peace? Are you calling me a monkey? How that look?
Never want to look better.
How that look? Land spider. Don't mind, all right?
Never want to look better. My monkey is in profile.
Don't that look like a monkey? Land spider. Look at that.
It look like.
It look like a monkey.
It look like a ant.
It look like a monkey.
Yes.
They that one look like
a spider monkey. See? It's a sideways monkey. Wait, him have foot. Hand. What are they?
What do you mean him have foot and hand? Is 4 hand or is 4 foot? Mine look better than that look like.
No, but you amputate your monkey foot. Your monkey not a foot never. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Look there. Look there.
All right, there you go. Jeremy, you did a fantastic job. Please don't come back.
Jeremy, next time come make a drag in him.
What you doing at UTech?
Food and beverage management.
Oh. This is your first year?
It's going in my second year.
Great. Yeah, after the first year, you usually go to the second year. You're going to the second year?
Yes, I am.
Fantastic. So much year? 3 or 4?
4.
Fantastic. And then you just own a hotel and thing?
Yes, man.
Okay.
And I have a restaurant too, so we call it. No, man, going to build a restaurant.
Okay.
Right. So I'll have a seat specially for you.
You're from Clarendon?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so we know Jeremy. Jerry will
do you guys know Omawali?
So you'll be with us for the summer?
Yes, I am.
All right. What's your last name?
Anderson, Jeremy Anderson.
Jeremy Anderson.
By the way, the lady that I met and she said she wanted to see who is Marvin. He's not working this morning. That's why. Because I promised you you'd see who he is. I'm not working this morning. But close. No, that's a Omawali. And then come back to my picture now. Me get him, man. See, me catch him, man. Me catch him. Me catch him. Me catch him. I can't split screen him.
All right, we're gonna go for a break. Still a little left, folks. Soon come back. Stay with us, please. Londa.
Wally.